Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is my hen night and I'm so excited and I cannot wait. It's taken me a good few hours to get ready, but I've had to sort out my shopping as well. So Nathan had some dinner, but my hair's all curly. I've got it half up, half down as requested. As you can see, I've got these sunglasses on, the earrings, the necklace, the dress, and I've got Lisa's little bridesmaids gift bags with me, so I can give them to her now because on the day it's going to be hectic. So I'm currently on my way to my sister's house. I've got to go to the shop and get a couple of drinks first, like for pre-drinking on the train, and then yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. Sorry to interrupt today's video, but just to let you guys know, there is music throughout this video as well. So what I'm going to do is put non-copyrighted music in because I don't want to be copyrighted, and there was loads of music playing really loud as well. So if you see some video clips and then non-copyrighted music, that's the reason why. It's because there was loud music playing and I don't want to be copyrighted throughout my YouTube.
So I was just making the little hangover kits and thought I'll do a quick video just to show the details. So I got the bags off of Shein. I got the diary lights from Home Bargains. These to have and to hold your hair back clips, I got them from Shein. Spoolies are from Shein. Hairbands are from Home Bargains. Sweets are Home Bargains. Lip balms are Superdrug. These are designer inspired perfumes from the Scent Reserve. I've cut up some paracetamol and ibuprofen. They are just from Home Bargains. Some plasters, which are from Home Bargains. Eye patches, Home Bargains. And face masks from Home Bargains. And I'm just putting them all in these little bags. I did also get tissues, which I'm going to have to put separately because they didn't fit in the bags. These were from Home Bargains. So here are some more bits and pieces that we've had done for Lauren's hen do. So I've got the sashes off of Shein, Team Bride ones, and then there's a bride-to-be for Lauren. I've got these wish bracelets off of eBay. So it's personalised, Lauren, bride-to-be, and it says when her hen do is. And then for all of us girls, we've got ones that just say Lauren's hen do. I got these vinyl stickers also off of eBay. And then for pre-drinks around Lauren's auntie's house, I've stuck them all on everybody's favourite drink. So it's personalised. I've also got spare ones to add on to any more drinks and things like that, if anybody wanted them. I got these little cards done that say she's tying the knot, so let's take a shot. I got them also off eBay. And then little tequila roses off of a multi-pack off of Amazon. And I've just tied them on there.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Oh.
Christine drinking on the train.
Yeah, oh, jeez.
so that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. As you can see, it is the next day. I had an amazing time at my hen night with amazing people. I went with my cousin, my cousin's girlfriend, my auntie and my sister. But yeah, I had an amazing time, and do you know what? I had a couple of these left over, so I'm drinking one now, and I'm saving the other one for the morning of the wedding and another tequila shot. So I'm saving that for the morning of the wedding as well. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I had such an amazing time. It was so lovely. I will defo go back to the pink house because that was incredible. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.